Okay, this is an update video for the lost cam videos for help. So we got a lot of views on that stuff and comments, and surprisingly we have something in the box over here that came in. Positively shocked, but there you go. Denise stepped up and sent me some cams. So anyway, I opened this up last night, and shockingly there was something in here. So here's some 45 cams with non-stock lobes on them. So needless to say, we're happy. That's a good spot for it in the trash. So anyway, I gotta see what lobe this is. These are not the ones I sent back. I'm not even sure if these are my cams, but there's a cam set here for us to use. So they got a little bit of rust on them here and there, but I don't care. I'm happy we got them back. We have to check the timing on these and all that, but anyway, it's a success. So Bill is happy.
I'm very happy.
And I'm happy.
Thank you all.
And I'm happy too. And whoever sent them to me, thanks. And thanks for all the help and comments and people stopping and bothering them, because obviously it worked. We got the parts back. I didn't get my stuff back, but I got the important shit back to cams. I'm not all my valves and stuff, but I can live with that. So anyway, thanks for all the help, and there's your update. We succeeded.